What's up, guys? I'm back with another how-to video. And today, this one's interesting. As you can see by the title, we are going to microwave some soap. Yes, if you don't know how to microwave some soap, you're about to learn. So first, you gotta get a plate. I would suggest a paper plate, but that's just me. Get this paper plate, and you gotta get your soap. Conveniently, I just have soap in my pocket. I'm using a bar of soap, so. And you gotta open the soap. Maybe I can. And then you gotta. Beautiful. And you gotta open your microwave, put the soap in there, and close. Now it's personally up to you how long you want to microwave it for. But I'm not gonna be an idiot, so I'm gonna do like 15 seconds. In your microwave. And that's how you microwave some soap. Shout out to my friend Josh, he gave me this idea, so thank you, buddy. And that's how you microwave soap. I would suggest, hold on, does it say not microwavable? Shit. I don't know. Make sure your soap is microwavable. I don't know, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and turn on notifications. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Peace.